How are you, the beautiful people of Assam? How are you today? Good. My name is Rishi Nath. I am the official adjudicator for Guinness World Records headquartered in London. And today I'm here to adjudicate the attempt, the largest Bihu dance. I shall resume now. So if everybody could kindly stand up. Okay. Just a small announcement. The number to beat for this record is 500. Do you think that all of you will be successful today? Brilliant. Okay. So we'll do a quick countdown for the dance to begin. So 5 to nothing. And then there will be a whistle which will basically symbolize the commencement of the dance. Is that okay with everyone? So is everyone ready? All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.